Today I'm going to show you a little bit about how a Gauss gun works. It's built just out of a rail here. I just used PVC pipe and then a couple strong neodymium magnets. Very strong, very hard to get apart from each other. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you a little bit how this works. This kind of goes on the same principle of Newton's cradle, where you have the ball suspended in a pendulum. The last ball, the energy from the first one, it hits through, transfers the energy to the last. So how this works is the magnet's going to be pulling the ball from the oncoming ball and transfer it through the energy. And the last ball has a weaker attraction to the magnet, so the kinetic energy transfer is greater than the attraction from the magnet, which sends the ball flying. So here's one demonstration. Energy is transferred through there. Now if I load another one, I have more separation from the magnet from this first ball. The attraction is going to be weaker. For there it wasn't enough to send the last ball falling. So a couple of things I could do is either remove the balls in front so there'd be more of an attraction, or add more on, or a combination of both to weaken the attraction. So with the separation of a ball in front still makes a weaker chain, but there's still enough energy if I have enough balls at the end. It's distance enough from the magnet to still send the ball rolling. So that's how this is going to work on a larger scale. As I have a multiple chain set up here. This is to launch multiple balls at once. And how this will work is I've used plenty of marbles for each chain and plenty of spacing to allow me to send multiple attempts as I showed earlier. So here's a demonstration of how this will work. So you can see by the time the balls went through the third cycle, there was plenty of energy, enough to actually knock two balls off at a time instead of just one. I'll launch that a couple more times. You can see the traction is getting weaker. And finally, weaker towards the end. So here we get a total of 3 balls with this setup. As I added more magnets or add another chain, I'd be able to get more. But that's the basic concept of how this works.